Yes.
Alright, chemistry, we are looking at practical. Usually the practical for WAEC, NEPO, and every other related exam. Alright, now volume of pipette is 25.00 centimeter cube. Indicator used is material. Usually your base, you use your pipette or pipette now to get your base, while acid is usually put inside the burette. Inside the burette. So you prepare a table like this. Burette readings, you have the initial burette reading and final volume of acid used. Now you have rough, titer, first titer, second and third titer. How does it go? When your acid is inside your burette and you have used your pipette to take your base and the material 1, 2, 3 drops inside your base, you release your acid slow by slow. After releasing slow by slow, the mixture, the first one you get is the rough. Then you fill your burette again with acid to 0.0 level. So at the point of neutralization or end point, the point at which the acid neutralizes the base is called the end point. When the color changes, the difference between the initial and the final, or final and initial, gives us this. You come again, second titer value, third titer value. Many of us have done that in our respective schools. So I'm practically explaining the calculation here. So after getting the difference, some of the mistakes students make is that they now still add the rough titer. The rough titer must not be there. So if you want to do your calculation, you start, either you pick first and second titer and divide by 2, or you pick the first, second and third titer and divide by 3. That is what they call the average titer value. So we are picking the first titer value, second titer and third titer. So the difference between the 24.8 and 0.00 is 24.8. Yeah. The difference between 24.70 and 0.00 gives us 24.00. And here, the third titer value here, the level of the acid in the burette is at 20.00. So the point at which the acid neutralizes the base, usually in the conical flask, when you look at the difference there, when you minus this, you have 0, 9 here, 4, 2. So you have the first titer, second and third titer value. When you divide by, you have this. This is the average volume of acid used. In our next class, we'll continue with other calculations that are expected of you in your chemistry practical exam. So I wish you success. Continue to subscribe, follow, like, and share our channel. God bless you.